Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Stop rin. Andito ako ngayon para sa isang proyekto. Ito call kay Rizal. Sino nga was si Rizal? Dapat na ba kilala natin siya bilang isang pambansang bayani? Hindi! Para maliwanag sa atin na lahat, papakanayamin natin ang isang importanteng tao dito sa Cagayan de Oro. Kapila eh. Sir. Good morning, sir. For you, sir, who is Rizal for you?
Rizal, for me, was a Filipino, a model Filipino who sacrificed his life for us to be here today.
And sir, why, for you, sir, why did Rizal become our national hero?
That's very obvious. I've been going over that for more than 100 years because he sacrificed for us Filipinos. He bravely faced death, sacrificed his life that you and I again should be here today. What Rizal did was not something that was just a very ordinary thing. It was out of the ordinary, in fact. He fought the oppressors, the dictators of those times, at the risk of his own safety, of his own life.
Last question, sir. What can you say to those students or teenagers who forgot Rizal?
There should be a re-education of, there should be what you would call some kind of a subject in schools to remind everybody about Jose Rizal and all the others, not only Jose Rizal, but all the others that sacrificed their lives for us to be able to gain our freedom, for us to be able to stand proud as Filipinos, to be emulated, and to tell the world and to tell ourselves that even when it is necessary, we should be ready to sacrifice our life for our dignity, for our independence.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Kahit na anong mangyari at kahit na ilang taon pa ang lumipas o dumaan, sana hindi natin kalimutan kung saan tayo nagsimula. Hindi dapat natin kalimutan ang mga tao nagbuhis ng buhay para sa kalayaan ng ating bansa, lalong-lalo na ang ating pambansang bayani na si Rizal.
Na hangin ko na magmula pa noon, minsan ay napitikon kapag di nakasimon. Sa sinabi mo sa akin, niladagan mong awitin, pinipilit mong gamitin at mga letra isipin, pero